Glenwood Spring is located in the Colorado's Rocky Mountains between Vail and Aspen on Interstate 70. It is a resort city in Colorado known for its hot spring. Today is the last day we are spending in Glenwood Springs. In this vlog, I'm going to cover Iron Mountain Hot Springs and Glenwood Counts Adventure Park. The Adventure Park is known for its award-winning rides, top view of Glenwood Canyon, and spectacular caves. So here is what we did on our 4th day of road trip.
Good morning guys, I'm here at this place Iron Mountain Hot Spring. So basically Glenwood Springs में बहुत सारे hot springs है. Rather entire Colorado में आपको बहुत सारे hot springs मिलेंगे and बहुत सारे natural भी है और man-made भी है. तो यहाँ पे जनरली उन लोगों ने क्या किया है कि अगर नेचुरल हॉट स्प्रिंग है तो उसके आजू बाजू में उन लोगों ने रिसोर्ट बिल्ड किया है. तो इसका ये एंट्रेंस गेट है और एवरीवेयर रिजर्वेशन इज़ नीडेड. यहाँ पे उन लोगों ने आप देख सकते हो कि उन्होंने दिया है कि ऑलरेडी दे आर सोल्ड आउट. सो नाउ लेट्स गो इन, लेट्स गो बेबी.
Colorado's newest hot spring opened in 2015, which is Iron Mountain Hot Spring. Features 16 soaking pools and a family pool along the Colorado River. The soaking pools are named for James Stone and vary in size, shape, and temperature, offering guests a variety of soaking experiences. You can have a drink while soaking and overlooking the Colorado River. So in front of me that's the small infinity pool, and next to that the Colorado River, and behind that breathtaking snow-capped mountain view. Totally blissful.
हम लोग आई थिंक सो 2 आवर्स यहाँ पे थे और ये काइंड ऑफ अ प्राइवेट पूल्स जैसे है. उन्होंने बहुत सारे लेवल्स पे पूल्स क्रिएट किए हैं और बहुत ही अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस रहा. आई थिंक सो 2.5 घंटे का स्लॉट है और उसमें हम लोगों ने $30 का टिकट लिया था और बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. ओनली जस्ट दैट अगर स्नोफॉल रहता या ऑलरेडी स्नो कवर्ड रहता तो और भी मज़ा आता. तो हर एक पूल की कैपेसिटी उन लोगों ने डिसाइड की है. जैसे कुछ जगह पे 4 पीपल अलाउड है, कुछ पूल्स में 9 पीपल अलाउड है. तो आई रियली लाइक दिस प्लेस एंड अभी हम लोग का टाइम ख़त्म हो चुका है ऑलमोस्ट. सो वी आर हेडिंग बैक टूवर्ड्स आवर होटल. यहाँ पे पास में हम लोग का होटल है और इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट ओनली दिस प्लेस इज़ हियर. तो अभी हम लोग यहाँ से वापस जा रहे हैं बिकॉज वी वांट टू गो समवेयर अप देयर. आई विल शो यू. So baby, how was your experience?
It was good, I think. This is quite a unique experience with the mountain view and everything, you know, private pools.
Okay.
And good thing is like you can also, you know, drink and eat here inside
Okay.
the pool.
Okay.
It has different kind of food with different kind of chemicals. So they specify as well, like which kind of chemical inside in that pool. So one of the pool where we were in had like magnesium in it.
I
And,
was not aware of that.
Yeah, and it was quite good. I think it's nice. It's nice.
तो हम लोग सबसे पहले ये जगह पे गए थे, ये पुलमैन विच आई रियली लाइक इट. यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने स्टोरेज स्पेस फैंसी काइंड ऑफ क्रिएट किया है जहाँ पे आप स्टोरेज रख सकते हो, और अंदर भी लॉकर्स है बट they are not accessible to public because of COVID. Next we are moving towards our hotel, and after that we are going to see our amusement park. सो गाइज आई एम हियर ग्लेनवुड काउंस एडवेंचर पार्क, और हम लोग ये मेरे पीछे देख रहे सकते हो, हम लोग ये गंडोला लेके ऊपर जाने वाले हैं. सो लेट्स गो.
Alright, we have already booked ticket online. The ticket is all inclusive for gondola, cave tours and attractions. So we are directly heading towards the gondola. So little information about this park here. Glenwood Counts is an adventure park located above Glenwood Springs, Colorado. The adventure park features a gondola ride, adventurous ride, guided cave tours, dining and attractions. Alright, we are here inside the adventure park and checking what are the attraction and rides around us. This side, I guess on the left, I can see many people. So let's find out what is there. Here you can find many rides, but they are seasonals. Depend on particular season, the ride status changes. So make sure to check the website before your visit.
Guys, हम लोग ऊपर आ चुके हैं and we are here in this adventure park. और ये लोग एक राइड लेने के लिए गए हैं, तो मुझे नहीं जाना है. So I'm just exploring this place कि यहाँ पे क्या है. So I'll just show you around.
So this is the main entrance जहाँ से हम लोगों ने enter किया था. Let's move ahead. Few things they kept closed. I could see some work is going on. This side is a restaurant and currently we are at 7100 feet. I could see few attractions in both direction. So let's go to the left first. This side is mine drop, cave tours and giant swing. And later we will go to that side. Okay, in front of me this is the haunted mine drop, which is the world's first underground drop ride. So we are going to check that from down. Alright, after this point again, I come here to see these guys because they have been waiting in a queue for a long time for this alpine coaster ride, and as I can see, they all are getting ready.
Go, Ani, go! Ani! Bye!
Alright, next further moving ahead after crossing that giant pier, in front of me, that's the Giant Canyon swing. I'm pretty sure that will be the ultimate thrill because that yellow pendulum swing towards canyon open valley side. Next moving ahead, beside this, a wooden stairway leads to the breathtaking view of majestic Glenwood Canyon. From here, you can see the west entrance of the Glenwood Canyon. Glenwood Canyon is geologically every bit as fascinating and significant as its more famous North American neighbor, the Grand Canyon. Next stop on our list is guess what? It's a historic cave. We are here waiting outside of cave. The historic fairy cave tour is a 40-minute guided walking tour. This tour leads you on a quarter-mile long underground stroll through narrow and winding passages. Natural water features and includes a stop at exclamation point.
What's that? The distance you traveled already, you can do that twice more. I was sure if it's up of this room before.
Alright, it's been so long, we are here inside, so let's go out. Moving further ahead, we are outside of this haunted mine drop, so we are not going inside for this ride. Sun is setting slowly and it's getting more colder. Next we are here inside this souvenir shop. I love this kind of shops. You get to see so many things which are famous in that particular state. I generally enjoy visiting such a shops. One of the best thing about winter is snowfall and the next best thing is winter sunsets. Let's watch the beauty of incredible sunset over the Glenwood Springs. I love watching setting sun from different corner of the world. So much of beauty in one palette. Some things are difficult to put into the words. How you feel, how you experience new things, and especially weather. How does it changes and what you feel at that moment. For that all I can say, you need to be here. This is just a small try to give you glimpse of this beautiful world. Alright, as you can see, park is lit up with many lights. It feels so good and so cold at the same time. Didn't realize, but day has almost come to end. So it's time to go down, and as you can see, it's completely dark.
तो गाइज़ हम लोग नीचे आ चुके हैं अब और बहुत ही सही एक्सपीरियंस रहा अम्यूज़मेंट पार्क का। और आप देख सकते हो मेरे साइड में, और इट्स जस्ट 5:30 बट बहुत अंधेरा हो चुका है। इट फील्स लाइक 8-9 o'clock। तो ऑफ कोर्स जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ विंटर यहाँ पे सनसेट बहुत जल्दी होता है। एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग बैक टूवर्ड्स आवर होटल बिकॉज कल सुबह हम लोग ग्लेनवुड स्प्रिंग से कोलोराडो स्प्रिंग की तरफ जाने वाले हैं और कल एंटायर डे वी आर गोइंग टू ड्राइव. सो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक सम कॉफ़ी फर्स्ट एंड आफ्टर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू ड्राइव टूवर्ड्स द होटल. सो सी यू सून.